Okay, so we're going to do a wee unboxing of the H1 and the conversion kit, just to give you an idea of what we're doing for the flash sale. So very simply, for 40% off you can get the kit. So you have the H1 and the conversion kit, which basically turns into a H1R, or for 30% just have the H1, so you can pick which one you want. So let's crack into the kit and show you what there is. One thing that's absolutely excellent with the H1 is the storage box. So it is for the H1, but I use it for all sorts of stuff. So you can purpose that box for whatever you want. So you get your documentation, you get your manual, there's your H1, and your pocket clip. So the pocket clip just is off at the minute. You can just take this out if you wish, or leave it all in there together. But that's your pocket clip, just pops off there, and we'll just clip on to the torch itself. So here you go, just remove that, and here is the H1. It's very nice, very sleek, very small. Magnetic base on there, so you can have that if you wish, and secure it onto something for an extra wee torch. With all of the Olights, just unscrew the base, and you'll see popping out there's the yellow tab for the battery. Just make sure you remove that, and you do get a non-rechargeable battery. Do not recharge this battery, or do not attempt to recharge it. Okay, 3 volt 30 or 1600 milliamp cracking wee battery, so you do get that, and you're good to go very quickly just by removing that. If I can do that off camera. And so there's a strap, our typical Olight strap. Very good. The expansion on that will fit a lot of cadet helmets as well. For anybody looking out there for cadets, that will fit around the issued helmets. So if you're looking at cadet headlight on this offer, you can do that. You can just pop this off with the strap, and say use the included pocket clip, just snap it on here. And there you are, you can have that on a rucksack or whatever you want, just have a right angle light. But very easy to operate. Single press button at the top, and then you're straight into your light. You can just press and hold to cycle through for your low, medium and high. Double tap to get into turbo. Triple tap on this one gets you SOS. Very handy feature. To have SOS. I have had people who've submitted stories to us and have told us about using SOS in actually real life scenarios where they were stuck on a mountain and put that on SOS and just left that clipped onto the outside of their tent, and once they'd raised the alarm and stayed inside their tent to keep warm. So definitely a good feature to have, the SOS on a head torch. You can, if you want, secure lanyards in there if you wish, and but say you got a good strong pocket clip as well. Now, I personally like to have, when it's in the head strap, do not have the pocket clip on there, because you won't get your full 180 degree of rotation. So some head torches you only get roughly 3 clicks of adjustment. With this, obviously you have 180 degrees, of adjustment for viewing, so you can do that no problem. Inside the kit, you have the rechargeable battery, and you have the magnetic rechargeable tail switch, and the cable. So you have all that there ready and good to go. And very easy to pop all this stuff out. And just to convert that, take out your non-rechargeable battery, pop in your rechargeable one, and your rechargeable tail switch, or your tail cap. And simple as that, you've now converted it into a H1R. So slightly longer because you've got a smaller tail cap. You don't need all the bits and pieces inside there. So very slight difference in the length of it. But there you are, you've now got a rechargeable headlight. So this offer, absolutely fantastic to have that for the H1, to have the offer with the conversion kit. So definitely check that out. That's going to be an all-day event on Friday 24th. So please do check it out. If you do spend over £89, you will get a free i1R. So worthwhile checking out that for the i1R. And if you spend over 129, then you'll get a free S Mini. So again, check it out. So guys, hopefully that's useful for you. Cracking wee head torch. I know a lot of guys in some search and rescue teams use these and really like them. Small, compact, extremely lightweight, but very, very powerful. And so the lumen output on this is 500 lumens on turbo. And on low, you've got a 2 lumen settings. That's perfect for in your tent. You want to do some reading, or at nighttime, any night navigation, and you don't want to destroy your natural night vision, then you can pop it down to 2 lumens and say you can work away. Lockout mode on this as well. Press and hold till it goes on and then off, and then you can just single press. So I have had guys actually use that there as Morse code, believe it or not, with being able just to single press to single for Morse code. So there you are. Check it out. The H1 cracking wee head torch, and in a nice box there, you have the clip, and then chuck in your lead. You can put in your other tail cap and the non-rechargeable battery if you wish, but having something up there, very, very nice and compact in an emergency kit, or say cadet bags, stuff like that there, whatever you want. Guys have fitted it on their bikes, you know, all sorts you can do with this wee H1. So definitely check that out. It'll be an all-day event on the 24th of May. Thanks for watching. See you later.